Hey everybody, this is Nace Taylor, my beautiful bride Sheila Taylor. And if you received one of the Kentucky Taste of Kentucky Advent calendars from Delicious Food Delivers, you have one of these little bags of sugar. So we're going to be showing you what we're doing with sugar over some of our holiday meals. Now this is a heaping third of a cup of maple sugar.
And what I'm doing with it today is I started out with my mom's chocolate pie recipe, and so I'll be making the meringue with the maple sugar, and it's absolutely delicious. And Nace has taken the strawberries, cut them up, and he put the maple sugar over them, and they are macerating in that sugar. And once you use maple sugar on strawberries or peaches, you will never go back to white sugar. It's absolutely delicious.
That's exactly right. And another thing I've done, I'm going to be cooking up my sausage ball recipe, zesty sausage balls with some maple cranberry salsa. And this has got to chill, and I got to make the sausage balls. Those recipes can be found in our cookbook online. And we'll be back in a little bit when Sheila's ready and has the meringue coming together. So this will be several little clips, and we'll see what we can accomplish for you.
See you later.
Thank you. All right, Sheila's been working on this for a little over 10 minutes, so I'm going to let her describe what's going on with it.
Yeah, the maple sugar gives it a little bit more of a if you want to say tan color rather than the white sugar. But the flavor is just, it's not comparable. You just can't compare it to the white sugar. So you can take any traditional family dish that calls for sugar, and you can substitute the maple sugar, and you'll get a much, much better taste. And so anyway, I'm going to get ready to put this on the pie, and we'll see what happens.
So how do you know it's ready?
It forms the nice, strong, firm peaks.
All right.
Okay.
And we'll be right back. As Sheila was a little concerned, she doesn't do this every day. So she wanted to get it started and know that she'd get it just right. And how do you like to put that on there?
I like to put it on with the spoon, and then I take a fork and I make the peaks.
I know they're pretty and tasty, and I get to lick the batters. Yeah, that
Delicious.
is special. And you're going to put that in the oven? And
I'll put it in the oven, let it brown, and I don't really have a certain time that I do it. I just keep an eye on it. So.
And we're at 400 degrees, and it won't take too long. And we'll get a peek of it when we come back. Ooh, I think this is looking good right here.
Okay.
She likes the whole thing a little more brown.
Let me get it over there first.
But she's gonna take a minute to get it over here and make sure she don't drop it. But you get, like I say, on our website, you get to see our successes and our failures. And I think that looks just beautiful.